Hello students, today I am going to teach you class 11 computer science. Hello everybody, today I am going to teach CBSE Revision Notes class 11 computer science new syllabus. Class 11 computer science new syllabus unit 1 programming and computational thinking ACT 1 basic Python programming and simple data types. Familiarization with the basics of Python programming. Guido van Rossum created the Python programming language in the late 1980s. In contrast to other popular languages such as C, C++, Java, and C Hash, Python strives to provide a simple but powerful syntax. Python is used for software development at companies and organizations such as Google, Yahoo, and NASA. So, students, first of all, I want to explain about what is the programming language. Programming language is a language which is understood by computer. If you want to perform any work with the help of computer, you need a programming language. There are various programming languages like C, C++, Java, and C. One of the great language is Python. Also, is there. Python is used in well-known organizations like Google, Yahoo, and NASA. So that here you can understand the importance of Python programming language. Simple hello program. Here you are going to learn to develop a simple programming program. It will display this is my first program. How will you do it? Python program must be written with a particular structure because this is a language, programming language like Hindi language, English language. What do you follow? Some rules, some grammatical rules you need to follow. Okay, so in programming language you need to follow some rules. The syntax must be correct, or the interpreter will generate error message and not execute the program. If you violate any rule or if you do some mistakes, then interpreter cannot understand, then it will show error message. When we want to write a program, we must text editor to write the Python instructions into a file, which is called a script. So you need a program where you can type the Python program. You need a text editor. By convention, Python scripts have names that end with .py. For example, we will name our first program as hello.py. Friends, as you know, every file has its extension, like what file has .doc. The same way, Python also has some extension, and its extension name is .py. Py is stand for Python. This is the first program, and this is my first program because this is a sentence, so it is double quoted, and always you need to use bracket or parenthesis. We will consider two ways in which we can run hello.py. So enter the program directly into ideally interactive cell, enter the program into ideally editor, save it and run it. This is the simple way. Ideally interactive cell. Ideally is a simple Python integrated development environment available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS X. To open ideally interactive cell, go to start menu on Windows. Open ideally, you may type the above one line Python program directly into ideally and press enter to execute the program. Since it does not provide a way to use the code you enter, the interactive cell is the best tool for writing large programs. The ideally interactive cell is useful for experimenting with small snippet of Python code. So students, first of all you need to download Ideally, where you can type the program and run it. So I show you how you can run a program. Open Ideally editor. See, this is your Ideally editor. What you need to type? This is my first program. This is my first program. Double quote close. It is also closed. And when you press enter key, it will produce the output. This is my first program. Output is generated in blue color. So students, you need to practice of running the program on Python Ideally. So thank you for attending class.